I do see an area where things are not perfect, could use some improvement. How do I bring this up without rubbing their face in something that they're doing wrong?
Yeah, and it's not necessarily something that they're doing wrong. This is where, and I think it's course 5, I want you to take one more pass through monetization, right? And then just try and get your arms around monetizing it. Hey, I noticed on the production, you guys are using, natural gas powered or the first generation electric powered forklifts. Just out of curiosity, how many hours are you getting out of each lift? Right, well, just an hour and a half, right? How many extra lifts do you have, right? And then now you're having a skillful conversation, and you can say, hey, because of where are you guys at in terms of X amount of output through hours through the facility? Where would you like that to be, right? And just the more that you can learn in the visit, the more you can go, hey, I want to go back. One of the things, you guys were using the Gen 1 batteries on your lifts. We have a program where we can come in and replace those all together, at the very least replace the batteries, so that you're not having to break those shifts. Giving you, I don't know, I mean, I have to have my team run the exact numbers, but that could give you an extra 3 hours in production out of each unit over a 24-hour period. Does it make sense for me to put something together to have you look at the difference there? All stemming from the fact that but you're never saying, hey, you're doing it wrong or your lifts aren't set up right. You're just saying, hey, one of the things I noticed was this. I did, you had told me that you're trying to get, that would be one of the first things that I would probably look at if I was redesigning things, is getting those to that next gen level of battery or whatever the situation is. I'm just making stuff up there. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm gonna cover all the costs for you. We're gonna get you the closing mini master class. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're gonna get access to the class. It's gonna show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.